Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a Christmas holiday. But as you can see, this is no traditional Christmas card. Father Christmas and his favourite reindeer have decided to take a break and go to the beach for an actual holiday. In this card I will be sharing some Copic Colouring, some scene building with polaroids and a little hand lettering. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I'll be using Lawnfawn Tiny Christmas, Car Critters Christmas add-on, Ugly and Bright, Beachy Christmas, Rainbow Ever After paper and some Polaroid frames. I begin by colouring. I use bright tropical colours, but also tie them in with some traditional Christmas colours. The Copic caps can be seen on the screen. There is a lot of colouring involved here, so please feel free to skip ahead to the next chapter or simply sit and enjoy the process. I fussy cut the images off screen and grouped them together to be ready for assembly. We have Santa with his surfboard, the reindeer has sunglasses, and finally my favourite part of the card, the car and its passengers. And yes, being directionally and positionally challenged most of the time, I have to check which side of the car that the driver is on when driving in the UK. Don't worry, I don't drive, so the roads are safe. I wanted my card to have a scrapbook style layout with Polaroid photo frames, so I laid out the images in the dies first to check that it would fit on the card. I then die cut the frames from white cardstock and used the watercolour wishes paper in teal and gold rush cardstock to make a beach scene for 3 frames in total. The Gold Rush cardstock was cut with a stitched hillside border to make it look like sand. I was originally going to go with a landscape orientation for my card, but after a little toing and froing, I decided on portrait. I used a different sheet of Rainbow Ever After to be the background. I think that the yellow stripes work well with the holiday scene. I carefully placed the main sentiment on the largest frame as I know it will be partially covered up. I used the Misty to stamp it in Memento Tuxedo black ink. I wanted captions on the other frames too, but did not want to stamp them out, so instead I wrote them by hand. I did this in pencil first and then went over it in a fine liner pen. I would love to refine my hand lettering skills. It's a goal of mine to be able to create sentiments by hand. Finally, I used liquid glue to attach the frames to the cards. And I also rub out the pencil marks. And here is the finished card. Father Christmas and his favourite reindeer are enjoying their holidays on a beach in the UK and have taken lots of photos. This card was inspired by episode 218 of Craft Roulette. In the US, Christmas is a holiday, and in the UK, a vacation is also known as a holiday, so I tied both in together. There are tropical colours, the car has wheels, and my frames are the geometric shapes. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about, and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care, and I'll be back soon.